Okay, a man invests rupees 10,000. Principal is 10,000, right? Time is equals to 3 years. Rate is not given. Amount is given. Amount is 11,200. Yes. In order to find rate, students, in order to find rate, which formula is required? In order to find rate, we need interest is equals to PTR by 100. All of you listen here. Later, you can solve. In order to find rate, we need PTR by 100, right? But I is also not given. I is also not given. How do you calculate I? What is the formula between P, A, and I? Amount is equals to P plus I. Use this formula and find the value of I, all of you. How much is I, students? 11,200 minus 10,000. Did you all understand this? All of you understood? I, after that, substitute 1,200. Now calculate R. Try this third question. Complete it. After that, we have repayment. For repayment, you subtract. Everything is easy. Only the second and third is a bit confusing. Tricky question. And when ma'am is teaching trigonometry in class, all of you will with students. All of you will try to solve the question. So don't take it lenient just because you're attending tuition. It will be like revision. And I think they would take at least 2 days, 26. At least 2 weeks. 1 or 2 weeks they might take. By then we would have completed compound interest. Rate is 4%. P is 10,000 into time is 1. Look, time is 1. Don't take it as 3. What did you take, Ruth? It, no, this is not simple interest, compound interest, right? It is 1. Can you see what they have given? Find the rate of interest per annum. This is yearly based calculation. This is not simple interest. See, that's why I told students it's a bit tricky question. We are finding for first year. For first year rate, two zeros will cancel. 12. R is equals to 12%. So what is first year interest given in the question? In the first year, what is interest already given? We found 200. Interest is 1,200. What will be the amount? For first year, what is the amount, students? 1,200 plus 10,000? That is what they have given. So this 11,200 will be principal which year? Second year. Now start calculation. We have all the values. Right, second year. Ania, did you understand? Abigail, Ania, Kia, Delicia. Yeah, we have already done Ruth revision. Yeah, we have completed. We have done everything. This is revision. Just don't copy, students. Look at the screen. Try to understand. Do it on your own. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll teach again. So third question, the amount at the end of third year. Up to third year, you have to do the calculation. First, second, and third. Okay. Delicia, when did you leave? Were you there when I explained all this? Okay, completed. Principal will be 11,200. So be aware of what you're doing, students. When you're writing principal for second year, it will be amount 11,200. Don't take same 10,000 and solve. Into time is 1 into rate we found 12% divided by 100. 112 into 12. What's the answer you got to? What was the value you told? Okay, 1,340. Fine, Alicia. Now I got a notification here that you joined. So yes. So amount is equal to 11,200 plus 1,340. 12,544 for second year. Calculate the third year. Interest is equal to 12,544 into 1. Okay, your zeros cannot be cancelled. So multiply 12,544 into 12. Then use shifting method. Okay, was Ananya present today? Did she come to school? Ananya and Dita? Okay, fine. See, multiply this 12 by double 4 into 12. 505.20. Okay. All of them are this. So you'll get 150,528 divided by 100. Place decimals 28. After that, calculate amount. Amount is equals to 2544 plus 1505.28. Yeah, what's the answer for amount? What did you all get? Kia, are you solving it? Kia, begin. Yeah. 14,000? How come 59? 14,000? Yeah, do it, Kia. Look, students, before 7:30, you'll complete other subjects, talk to your friends, complete everything. 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour, dedicate for maths. Don't get distracted. We hardly do 5 to 6 questions. So stay focused, complete, you'll score good marks. Delicia done? Okay, now look at all three interest students. First year interest is 1,200. What is second year interest? 1,344. Yes. Add all this, you'll get interest, total interest, 1,200, 1,344 plus 1,505.28. And total amount, this is the total amount value. Okay, let's see what they have asked us to find. The amount at the end of third year. Okay, we got the amount. Can you check the answer in textbook? Whoever has textbook, check this answer, students. Third question, is it 14,049? Okay. Next, the interest accrued or the interest they got in the second year. What's the answer for this? Is it 1,344? 1,003. Okay. Did they ask us to find the entire interest, total interest in the question? Just check. Do we need to find total interest? Have they mentioned anywhere to find the total interest? No. Then you don't have to calculate. So don't waste time calculating total interest. What is required? First go through question, see what is required. According to that, you have to solve. Cross check, students. See where you have gone wrong. Which value is wrong. All of you are done. Angel, Abigail, Tia. Yeah, unmute and let me know, students. I'm waiting, right? Yeah. See, respond. Respond so that we can start the next question. Look, fourth question. What kind of question is this? Fourth, fifth, and sixth? What is that one particular word they have given? After each year, what do we do? Fourth, fifth, and sixth question. Yeah, so this is a repayment question. Fourth, fifth, and sixth is repayment. Fourth, fifth is all similar. We try the last sixth one. Mr. What is this? Ravi borrows 16,000 to the rate of interest. If he repays 5,000 at the end of first year, find the total. Will you try the sixth question? Try the sixth question. Total how many years? Total how many years are there for sixth question? Total 2 years. Is it compounded semi-annually or annually? What kind of question is this? It is compounded. Have they mentioned semi-annual word here? Sixth question. All of you will go through the sixth one. Is there semi-annual word here? No. So it is per annum question. Per annum. If it is semi-annual, what is the formula as I told? T is equals to 2 into T and R is equals to R divided by 2. These are the formulas I've given. Right? Okay, calculate the first year. Delicia Abigail, do you all remember how to solve the sixth one for repayment question? Principal is 16,000. Okay, time is equals to 1. Rate for two successive years they've given. For first year it is 10%. Calculate interest, calculate amount. See, once you calculate interest, amount, then repayment. Repayment. These three things you have to calculate step by step. Interest, amount, repayment. Complete this. First year, what's the value got on here? Yes, Ania, what's the value? 16,000 into 1 into 10. 1,600 amount? Okay. Amount 1? Okay. 17,600. Repayment, how much do they pay every year? See, don't blindly keep doing it. Yeah, tell me. Which one? Principal is 16,000, right? Here? Oh, calculate. Unmute the call. 16,000 into 10 into 100. What's the value you get? Will you get the same value? No, no. Principal is 16. What is interest I got? 1,600. What is the amount? 17,600. Yeah. So check the values here. See what values they have given. Fine. It is repayment question, students. What do you do after this? If he repays 5,600 at the end of first year, how much is he repaying at the end of first year? So how do you calculate? 17,600 minus 5,000, you get 12,000. Yeah, take this as you have to mention here amount after repayment, right? Amount after repayment. These are the steps. That's it. And for second year, rate is not same. Remember that 12%. Fourth and fifth question, you can practice it later. Their rate will be same. Your rates are different. Done. Next, for second year. Calculate for second year. Be quick, students. This is easy question. Easy value second year. Principal equals to 12,000. You repaid a person, then 12,000 is money, 12,000 is left, which you have to repay. That you take it as P for second year. Time is 1. R is equal. So what's the rate given? For second year, what's the rate they've given? 12. Okay. Yes, take it as 12. 12 double zero into 1 into 12 divided by 4. You'll get some interest. Calculate amount. Find the amount outstanding at the end of second year. Okay. Just calculate amount, that will give you the answer. 1,440. So amount is 12,000 plus 1,440. 13,440 is the amount left. So read the question. What they asked? Amount left at the end of second year. Find the amount outstanding. Outstanding is balance. Left at the end of second year, it is 13,440. After this, don't do any repayment, students. They haven't asked us. Did they tell us to repay anything in the second year? Is any repayment done in the second year? Look at the question. No, nothing is done. So that's the answer. This is the final answer. All of you completed? 13,440. Okay, next. What is Delhi doing? Completed. Okay, fine, Alicia. Next. See, 7th, 8th, 9th question. 7th, 8th. These two questions, can you see the time period given? How have they given students? 2 years? 4 months. How will you calculate? Everything is same except time period. Look here, 2 years, 4 months. How will you take this? First year, you will take second year. And for third year, how will you calculate time period? 4 months. 4 by 12. For second year, t will be 1. For first year, t will be 1. This is how you solve. Okay. So seventh one you will skip. Eighth one will I want you all to try. For eighth, how will you calculate 2 1 by 2 years? Is any month mentioned here? Is any month mentioned? So for first year, what will be the time period? For first year, t1. For second year, t is equals to 1. For third year, t is equals to r. Hmm. So don't multiply or divide by 12. That is wrong. Month is not mentioned. 1, 1 and 12. 1, 1 and half is given. Try this in question. See, revision, I won't be solving all the questions. All similar questions I'll skip for all the chapters. This is what we usually teach. First time I make also all the questions. For revision, only the main ones. Try the eighth one, calculate the amount of 3000 at the end of 2 years. Principal is equals to 31,250. Time is equal to first year calculation. First year. Time is equals to 1. Rate is equals to 8. Find interest, find amount, and second year. Angel, can you tell me the values? What's the interest for first year? Okay, 2500. 2 fours are, 2 fives are, 5 ones are, 5 six are 40, 5 twos are 10. What's the answer? 2500. Correct. 2500. Good. Amount? 33,750. Take that as principal. All of you got the same value? 33,750 into 1 into 8 divided by 100. Calculate amount. Okay, try. Complete this, students. Complete it. Yeah, tell me, Kia, what's the value for interest second year? No, no, final answer. What did you get for interest? Wrong, wrong here. It's wrong. See, 33,750 into, how did you calculate? No, no. First, listen. This one. What's the principal you took? 33,050 into time is 1 year. Rate is 8 divided by. Okay. How did you cancel this? 0. Next. 4 and 2, 5. Next. Hmm, 30. Hmm, 675 into 4. How much is 675 into 4? See, when explaining, your answer is right. When you do it, it was wrong. What you told was wrong. You should get 2,700. Out of you got 2,700. See, I'm telling out, I'm calling out the numbers, students. Yeah, 2700 3375. The reason is you are making mistake with telling me the answer. Look at 25, this one, 27123, 23750. Sometimes you are going wrong while answering. Look at the first one, 2700. I'll tell you, Indian number system, this is the value 3, 2, 2. You will know this 3, 2, 2 method. So how do you do this, students? 3, 2, 2. Remember this from the right hand side, extreme right. After three numbers, you have to put comma. From the right hand side, look at 27,000. After three numbers, you put a comma. Then how many numbers you should have? 2, 2. This is the rule. Yes. From right hand side, 3. Let me take one more number here. What's the value now? After 20, you have to put another comma. So how do you answer this? What's the first one? 2000, 2700. Next, how do you name the students? This is 1, this is 10, 100. 27,000. Next, 1 lakh, 1,750. So without comma, you should know 322, which means 1,23,750. So this is the rule. From reverse 3 to 2, it goes on. 1,27,23,750. 23,750. All of you got 2,700? 2,700 for second year? Okay. So sometimes they are telling 27, sometimes it is 2,700 is right. Okay. 2,700 now. Amount. What is amount? 33,750 plus 27. What's the amount? What about others? What did you get? Angel, Abigail. Oh, it's wrong. Yeah. What kind of calculation you're doing? How do you calculate this here? Two 2,700 is given. You're not supposed to write like this. Is this correct? Always from right hand side you have to start. This is wrong. If you have done like this, you'd have gotten 60,000. 33,750, 2,700. You have to start from the right hand side. See, one by one. From extreme right hand side, the value has to start like this. Start calculating. What's the answer, students? What did you all get? Can you repeat? 30? Okay, 36,450. That will be the principal. 36,450. What's the interest for third year? Kia, I think everything is wrong here. First, second, and third year, all three wrong calculation. 1,458. Half year time. Now you're supposed to take half 36,450 into 1 by 2 into 8 divided by 100. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 twos are 2 fives are. What do you get here? 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10. What's the interest, students? What did you get? 36,450 into R. We'll calculate this. Try this once again. What you have got? Whoever completed, can you tell me? Which one will get cancelled? I want Abigail to answer. Abigail, Delicia, both of them are silent. Can you unmute Abigail and Delicia? Why is my voice not audible? Not able to hear? Abigail, Delicia. Yeah, unmute the call, Delicia. Even keep the call unmuted. These two stood. I can hear Angel answering. Kia, Ania, and Ruth. Hmm. Abigail and Delicia, unmute. Okay. Explain this last one. How did you all reduce it? 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Next. Tell me, students, Delicia, Abigail, how do you calculate this? I'm not asking direct answer value. How do you reduce it? 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Next, 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Next, 10 is left. 2 fives are 2 twos are, right? What are the numbers we have? 3, 6, 4, 5 into 2 divided by 5. Reduce. How many times 5 goes in? 3,645. 5 sevens are 35. So 729 into 2, right? 729 into 2. What is 720 into 2, Delicia? Calculate. 729 into 2. 1,400 and fine, Abigail. 1,458. All of you got this? 1,458. What's the amount? 36450 into 1,458. What's the value? What's the final value, student? Final amount after 3 years. Calculate the final amount. Yeah, what's the final amount? Why is nobody answering? Got it wrong? 37,908. Which question was this? Ninth question. 37,908. Is it clear? All of you understood eighth question? Compounded actually. Okay. How is this 9th, 10th, and 11th? Can you tell me the difference? Delicia, I want you to tell the difference for 9th, 10th, and 11th. How will you solve? Why is Delicia taking so long to respond? Unmute the call, Delicia. Why do you take so long to respond? Yeah, don't mute it. Don't mute. Read the next three questions. Tell me how do you solve 9, 10, and 11? No, tell me 9 and 10. How do you solve 9 and 10? Principle is given. Don't mute it. Why do you want to mute the call? Yes. Principle. Time. What's the time period for ninth question? 2 years. How will you solve? And what about rate? Is rate same for both years or different? 8 and 9%. Will you try the 10th question for homework? All of you will try the 10th one for homework, students. Calculate. Principal is given, time 3 years. For all 3 years, same principal or different, I mean, same rate or different rate? 8%, 9%, 10%. Fine. You saw everything, other questions, everything. You have solved some important questions. Other things are the same. Whatever we miss, other things are the same. So I want you all to try the 10th question for homework. Okay, 10th one. And once again, I'll make you all do 11, 12, 13, 14 tomorrow. What is the difference between 12, 13, 14 and other questions? Do we compound yearly or half yearly? Half year concept. Yes, half year concept. Yeah, why are you so slow, Alicia? Why do you take so long? You're not able to understand, Alicia? Why is there any difference if you listen through phone, laptop? Okay. You shouldn't mute it. You take so long to reply to answer. If you solve so slowly, Delisha, how will you teach other students? You told you want to become a teacher, right? No, you didn't tell. And how will you teach other students or how will you teach your friends solving questions? I heard everyone answering, but you are too slow. Until and unless I call out your name, you're not answering. Okay, try this, Delisha. Try the fifth one. Yeah, all of you should try the 10th one for homework students. Is it clear?